You got the mangoes washed. Look at that. It's almost ripe. Give me a look at the inside. Yellow, more orange, more orange. Very sweet. Slice it. Look at that. So I'm going to slice all of these and then again slice it smaller, about like this, for the aviyal. Here's the mango all cut up. You cut it up. Okay. Oh, eat it. Another item that goes in the aviyal is this cucumber. Another item that goes into the aviyal is, okay, who can guess this? You're saying, what the heck is that, right? It's like a piece of rock. No, these are seeds of jackfruit. Aviyal, main ingredient is going to be mango, cucumber, and the jackfruit seed. Peel the cucumber. So here's the cucumber. We have the jackfruit seeds all skinned. So I soaked it, after taking the outer shell off, I soaked it for about an hour in the water, and then I scraped off the skin. It still got a little bit. It's like the germ of the wheat or the rice. So it's good. Most people don't like it. That's the only thing. It has some more nutrient value. So a little bit is good. And then I have this onion, small red onion. You might want to call it is the cousin of the shallots, but I would call it this guy is the guy, and the shallots are this guy's cousin, twice removed. So this is not an ingredient as the jackfruit seed. This will go into the paste that we're going to be making for the aviyal, which is with the freshly grated coconut. And the paste is, I think I think I've shown it. Coconut, curry leaves, green chilies, cumin seed, and that onion. So this is where the coconut grinding takes place. Okay. This plus this equals this. So you can see fresh coconut. So now I have to cut this, which is make it into probably 4 or 6 pieces, and then just cut this into small, grind it with this jackfruit seed all cut up. We're gonna start making the aviyal in this urli, miniature urli, not the one I use back in Canada, but this is really thick, so it should be good. So to this, I'm going to add the jackfruit seed, the coconut paste, the turmeric powder, chili powder, and a little bit of salt, and then cook it about 1/3, and then add the remaining stuff. Jackfruit seed, coconut paste. So to this, what we add? Come on, I told you. Yes, turmeric powder, salt, and chili powder. This is the jackfruit with coconut paste, turmeric powder, a little bit of salt, and chili powder. Put it at low heat, so I'll let it cook a bit. Then I will add our cucumber and then mango. Time to add our cucumber. Oh, they got upset. They're getting stuck. Don't want to go. Don't cook us. There, all done. And with that, I'm gonna add our mangoes. Oh, look at that beautiful mango slices, right? Now, I'm just holding the camera. I can do it one-handed. So I'll mix it and I'll show you. There, it's all mixed. One thing that it is lacking that would have been good is drumsticks, kaya. But we don't have it, so we don't add it. This should be good. Different flavor. Aviyal ready. So at the end, I added coconut milk, correction, coconut oil, and curry leaves. Lunch, day 4. We have rice, we have omelette, and we have the aviyal. Somebody tasted it and said the jackfruit seeds are not cooked properly, but I tasted it. What to say? It's perfectly cooked. It's not overdone. You can pick it out. So there you go. That's the lunch today, along with cold water.